Hi team, this hubsan 520 FPV that I buy they arrive in last month on 30 December after New Year. Okay, and this this is one of three from this brigade, but this one cannot turn on, no power. So I will record this video to explain how it's not working. Okay, let's do it. This an original video, original battery on LiPo, and this from transmitter battery, that's the same on 7.4 volt. Okay, I try on this battery to check it's working on transmitter. Okay, and turn on. Okay, you see that the battery working okay. So I will do the same thing on hubsan. This new from unbox, not fry, never fry, sticker seal, never open, and the screw on all thing never open. Okay, and this in this circuit I don't smell any burn or fire on any damage on circuit. I don't know, but on this time I record video to explain on your team. Okay, this is one battery on to test on the remote. They had power and they working. Okay, I put it in the drone. Just moment. Okay. Okay, there is plug in, but nothing happened. No light, no sound, or anything on hubsan. This. So I don't know. I think maybe some circuit lost in QC check. I don't know what the problem on now, because I don't open it for now. Okay, test another battery. This is a second battery in remote transmitter. I think it will working. Okay, this is second battery on remote. Okay, power on. So the battery don't damage. Okay, I will try the same thing on this quadcopter. And you have to use in okay, they plug in, but nothing on sound, on light, on this hubsan quad. I think they have some kind of lost in QC check. So this is my video to explain one of hubsan that ship arrived in 30 December had a problem. Thank you.